Ross Rand here from Livestream Universe. We are at the New York City Video Creator Meetup in Midtown Manhattan. We're at Novotel Hotel, and our sponsor today is TubeBuddy, provided some great appetizers for us, and also a giveaway of one of their Legend packages, and I'm with one of the winners, Nonye Ojibe from Channel McFae. Congratulations.
Yay, thank you guys, thank you.
So tell us a little bit about your channel and what you're doing on YouTube.
So I'm fairly new. I just started. It's Channel McFae, and it stands for Manifestations Come Fast and Easy. And it's basically just a channel on law of attraction and also heavily on self-discipline and how we can apply those law of attraction principles and apply it with self-discipline and how we can really achieve the goals and make a difference.
And how's the reaction been from your viewers so far?
So far, so good. Like, everyone loves it. Everyone, resonates with the principles, everything that I'm saying, everything that I'm talking about. And I try to be as transparent as possible. Like, I don't want to make it seem like I'm the only innocent and I know everything. Like, I'm also on this journey, so I want to make it more welcoming and inviting and let people know, if they are going through something, they're not going through it alone, or if they're struggling through something, they're not alone. There's a whole community. I've been there, but I pull myself out, or just in general, we can just help each other and be there for each other. So that's what I also want to build with the YouTube channel. It's like a community feel.
So what brought you to the Creator Meetup here in New York City?
Oh, because I'm new to YouTube, and I saw this amazing opportunity online, and I was like, I gotta go because there's nothing but great knowledge here. So with that, I just did my research and I found it, and it's been lovely. I've been here twice, and I gained so much information, and now today I won the package. It's crazy.
So you're doing the thumbnails and the tags and all the different strategy elements of putting a YouTube channel together?
Yes, the first time I was here, I learned how to make a successful thumbnail, and I took that advice, and I have seen, on YouTube, it gives you the analytics. Right. So I see that my channel has grown just on the thumbnail techniques I've learned last time. And also now, he also said me about the links and things, and how I can put links onto my channel. So now I'm going to go home and do that. So I'm excited.
Yeah, you can put your affiliate products in there, and you can make some sales and make some money from your channel. And also, with TubeBuddy, you'll get a lot more analytics. And whenever you upload a video, you'll have the opportunity to see a list of things that you should optimize with your video. You can copy tags from another video. So we want to thank TubeBuddy again for sponsoring. And again, tell everybody where they can find you online.
So you can find me on my YouTube channel. It's Channel McFae, just McFae, MCFAE. Or you can follow me online at Twitter. It's my last name _OJIBE. Or my Instagram page, which is McFae. It's _McFae_.
Nonye, thanks a lot for taking a few minutes.
Yes, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, great to have you here. Thanks, everybody.